guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you what shopping I did from Amazon and from Nykaa. Now this products particularly about daily essential care like skincare and hair care. So if you wanna know what I bought from Amazon and Nykaa for my skin and hair care, please continue watching.
Audio Jungle.
So about all this product I am going to show you in this video. I am going to link all of them in the description box so you guys can check it out if you like them. Now, so first of all, I am going to talk about my Amazon haul. The first thing that I got from Amazon is this Terai body oil. This is their almond and vanilla luxury oil. They have one variant in it. I don't remember the name, the flavors. If you don't like this, then you can go for that. Now you know there are so many benefits of using body oils. Now you can use it in your bath or else you can also use it after the bath. So it is a really good product to add into your skincare for elasticity of your skin. So this is the first product that I got from Amazon. The second product is this Himalaya. I'm sorry, this is really scraped out because I'm using it. And this is Himalayan purifying neem face wash. I'm damn sure that you guys already have heard about it, or maybe already you guys have used it. I am really very experimenting with my face washes, but I can say about this face wash that if you have sensitive skin, you can totally go for this because this has whatsoever no like harm to your skin. This is for all skin type. It is totally safe for your skin. This retails for 190 rupees and you get 200 ml of the products. And I love the packaging. It is a pump, so it is kind of really easy and it is really affordable. So this is the second purchase. The next product that I have purchased from Amazon is this Nivea lip balm. Now you guys know by now that I am a lip balm freak. Now if you guys haven't checked my videos on the lip balms, it is up so you guys can check, and it is the top 5 lip balms under 200 rupees. So if you also love lip balms or want to try lip balms, then you guys can check that video. I'll link it down somewhere here so you guys can check. Now next product is sort of hair and skin product. So this is Wishcare aloe vera gel. This is 200 ml and I'll link the price and I'll link everything as I say it. So you get 200 ml of product and it says it is pure and natural aloe vera gel enriched with vitamin E. Now you can use it for your skin because aloe vera gel is really good for acne prone skin, and also it removes tans. Mainly I use it for tan removal, and you can also apply it on your hair. It is also good for your hair. So it is both the skincare and hair care product. So this is it. Now the last product that I have got from Amazon is a hair serum. For a longer period of time I really wanted to try this product, and this is Saint Botanica Moroccan Argan hair serum. This is really a thick formulated serum. It is not like the Livon ones that is really liquid. It is kind of a thick formula. You don't need so much product of it. So this was about the formula, but I am going to try and then review it in another video maybe. I'm going to try a bunch of product and then review it. So this product will be in that video if you wanna know how it is. And you get 120 ml of product and it retails for 800, like 799, so 800. So yeah, this was about the Saint Botanica Moroccan Argan hair serum. So now moving on to my Nykaa haul. I have purchased a bunch of different products from Nykaa. So starting with the first product, this is a VLCC sunscreen, and this is D10 sunscreen gel cream. It has SPF 50 and it says it fades tans, even out skin tone and enhances glow. So I'm not into the like even out or really enhancing the glow. I just want to be protected from the sun, and this does the job. This is a gel formula, so you don't feel greasy, and this is the best thing that I love about it, and that is why I keep repurchasing it. This is my third tube. So I like this VLCC sunscreen. Now moving on to second product. This is Nivea Soft Get party ready with berry blossom limited edition. Now you get 50 ml product with 85 rupees. It retails for 85 rupees. This comes in a like this, and it really smells like berries, so I love the smell. It is really lightweight to the skin and I love this product. From Nykaa, my next buy is this Lux body wash. Now I love body wash and this particular is my favorite body wash. I always go back to Lux. I tend to opt for different body washes, but always I get back to this. This is really affordable. This retails for 99 rupees and you get approximately 235 ml of product, which is really good. This also cleans the body really well. It has no stickiness whatsoever, which I love about my body washes. And this has the best fragrance ever. I love every variant of it. So this is about the Lux body wash. So my next buy is again a body wash, and this is from the Dove, and it is gentle exfoliating nourishing body wash with exfoliating beads, and this is I think the original one. So and you get a loofah free with it. I really didn't open it because I don't know whether I'm going to use it or not, but I just wanted to buy it, so I bought it. And you get 190 ml of product and it is for 115. So if you are a Dove person, if you love Dove products, you can go for it. And I haven't really used it, so I'll try it and give my review on it. So the next product that I bought from Nykaa is this Nivea Micellar Skin Breath Rose Water Face Wash. Now I actually was attracted to this face wash because of its name. It says it clears the makeup, so I wanted to try it, but I didn't find it clearing my makeup. So it is just a normal face wash for me, but still I'm going to give another try to it and let you guys know that if it is worth for the name or not. So this is the Nivea Micellar Skin Breath face wash, and you get 150 ml of product and it retails for 299 rupees. Now next is this Pond's body lotion. This is triple vitamin moisturizing lotion and it retails for 250 rupees and you get approximately 300 ml of product. It is moisturizing lotion with vitamin B3, E and C, which is really good. And the good or the bad thing about this lotion is you don't need much product, because this is really moisturizing, or I say greasy. Yeah, it feels greasy on the skin. So if you have really dry skin, it will work for you, but if you have oily skin already and you don't like the feel of like grease or anything like that, this is not for you. I love it because I apply it and then I apply the oil. So I don't like the greasy feeling, but I am pretty much in the house and the AC is on, so this pretty much work for me. But if I am going to outside, I am not going to apply much of it. So take care about that thing. The last product that I bought from the Nykaa is this Lifebuoy hand sanitizer. Really, I don't need to explain the sanitizer, right? Yeah, so this sanitizer is retails for 120 rupees and you get 250 ml of product. Now I always happen to have a small sanitizer in my purse, but for my household use I bought this and pretty much I like it because it doesn't smell bad. It actually smell good. I hate the chemical or the Dettol wala smell. I hate that smell. So this is the product that I would use. So yeah, this is the last product, the hand sanitizer. No, actually wait, this is not the last product. So I bought this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Clay Shampoo. I have used it several times and I loved it because it gives you that cooling sensation and that squeaky clean effect to your hair. I love this for my summer hair or my monsoon hair because it really clears them out. Now this is for oily scalp and oily family. This retails for 450 rupees and you get 704 ml of product. Now this is a very big, so if you are like purchasing for the first time, don't. So go for a smaller version, see if you like it, your hair likes it, then purchase the bigger one. Now it has two kind of conditioners. This is the old one that I normally used. This is anti-oiliness, purifying kind of that stuff that I have already said you. And this retails for 185 rupees and you get 192.5 ml of product. Now about this product, I think it is a new launch or maybe not, but I saw it the first time and I bought it. So I believe that it is new and it retails for 240 rupees and you get 180 ml of the product. It is Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner and 2x hydration with pure clay, oily roots, dry ends, no leave-in time. That means you don't have to leave in like conditioner, you just apply and then directly wash it. So it is kind of a time saver if you don't have time to leave the conditioner in for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash. This is the product, you just apply and then wash. So yeah, this is L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay Rapid Revive Deep Conditioner. I'm going to try it and then say that how it actually works or it actually works or not. So stay tuned for that, and that's it for this video, you guys. I have shown you everything that I have purchased in the category of skincare and hair care. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.